Have you seen those videos by lawyers where they're talking in this really like mechanical, overproduced way where they're almost yelling at you? Either that or they're like turning their backs towards each other and doing that thing where, oh, we'll get you the best deal ever. So how many of you watch those and think, let me hire that person immediately? Me neither. So, as people who make videos for a living, we've come across a bunch of bad videos during our research. There are so many variables that go into making a video, which means there's a lot of stuff that could go wrong as well. So we talk about video no-nos in another video, but today we're gonna focus on one of these huge deal breakers that usually kill a video, and that is the delivery. We talk about the common mistakes people make and how to fix it. Number one, the newscaster. So you may be a great public speaker, and maybe you've done a ton of workshops and talks, but being on camera is a completely different ballgame. Here you want to ditch the newscaster voice and sound a little more natural and conversational. You'll also want to simplify the language. One trick that we tell our clients a lot is pretend you're talking to your best friend or family member. I would suggest even recording yourself on video with your camera phone or iPhone voice memo, and then you can just play it back, get a second opinion if you want, but see how natural that sounds, and if you need to, just keep practicing more and more until you finally nail it. Number two, the script reader. It is very important to have a script or an outline of what you're going to talk about because that helps you stay on message. But you cannot connect with your audience if you look like you're reading off a teleprompter. There has to be a natural intonation in your voice. When we work with our video clients, we use a bunch of tricks to either prompt them, make them laugh, get them excited, so that enthusiasm comes off on camera. If you don't have someone to work with, I would recommend memorizing the script ahead of time. But instead of regurgitating it, maybe use note cards with keywords or phrases. That way you can improvise while talking so you sound more natural. Number three, the emotionless robot. Another mistake people make is forgetting to emote. Body language does matter a lot when you're on camera, so make sure to not come off looking robotic. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through because people do really value authenticity and vulnerability. Smile, be animated, do things that you'd naturally do even if you need to use your hands. All of that makes for a really engaging video. So those are some of those tried and tested hacks that work for our clients. So which of the three did you guys find helpful? Let us know in the comments below.